So I really don't want to do this, but I think I'm gonna rename the Caddy the Beach. What's up guys, thank you for being back at my channel. So I've got a small little hiccup happened to me this morning, actually on my way to work. On my way to work, sitting in traffic, the bakje overheated. Long story short, I got to work, opened the bonnet to see if I can see what's the problem. Found that the fan motor, the wire that gives it power, was not connected in a proper way when they did the installation originally. So what happened is they just twisted the two cables on top of each other and the installation taped it closed. So with the driving, the heat and the vibration, the cables came loose. At the end result, giving me lots of headaches, getting to work, getting back to work, as I had to drive the Caddy to work without a fan. So it was a lot of driving and stopping, and then vice versa on my way from work back home, the same story applied. So luckily my brother's a very good electrician or auto electrician. I ended up stopping at his place. He showed me what the problem was, and he said that I had to solder the two wires together for a temporary fix. I did it in this video that you're going to see now. Don't judge me on my soldering work. I am not a guy that does very good soldering, but it is a temporary fix, and he said he'll come and help me sometime soon in the future so we can do it, fix it a proper way and let it look nice. Enjoy the video and don't judge me too much. So guys, there you have it. Not a good solderer. I hope you could see what I did. It's just like I said, a temporary fix. We'll get fixed in the proper way soon enough. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned. There will updates be coming in, bigger ones, not as small and small like this one. Bigger updates will be coming in soon. Like we are loading the Caddy, that's plans. We're doing wire tuck, that's plans. Some more maintenance coming obviously, and the Golf is still there, so there is updates coming. But yeah guys, enjoy your night. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, press notification bell, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.